love is a choice that we make every day. Love is more than just a feeling, something that is here today and gone tomorrow, something that depends on our situation or our circumstances, something that depends on how good we're feeling on any particular day. Love is actually a verb, it's a doing thing, it's a choice that we make every day.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
I, Christopher, take you, Tosin.
I, Tosin, take you, Christopher.
To be my wife.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And in the presence of God, I make this vow.
And in the presence of God, I make this vow.
Chris and Tosin have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. They've declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife, and that those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. And now as our service closes, Chris, you may kiss your bride.
People have been saying probably you've lost a daughter or you're giving your daughter away, but actually I'm gaining a son. Chris, as we've come to welcome him, he is a son that I'm really pleased to really entrust Tosin onto.